Choosing the right door material for your Dallas property is more than a decision about style. It's about functionality, durability, security, and value. Dallas's unique climate, characterized by hot summers, occasional storms, and variable humidity, demands that property owners choose materials that can withstand these challenges. This guide will help you navigate the options and select the perfect door material for your home or business. Consider the Dallas climate. Dallas experiences long, hot summers with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat can warp certain materials or cause finishes to fade. Additionally, storms and occasional hail can put your doors to the test. With this in mind, the ideal door material should resist heat, humidity, and physical damage. Popular door material options. Here's a breakdown of common door materials, their features, and how well they suit Dallas properties. Wood doors. Pros. Wood doors are timeless and offer natural beauty. They come in various styles and can be customized with carvings, stains, and finishes. Cons. Dallas's heat and humidity can cause wood to expand, contract, or warp over time. Frequent maintenance, such as sealing or painting, is necessary to prevent weather damage. Best uses. Use wood doors for indoor spaces or shaded exterior areas where they're less exposed to direct sunlight. Steel doors. Pros. Steel doors are highly durable and secure, making them ideal for homes or commercial properties in high-traffic areas. They're resistant to warping and provide excellent insulation. Cons. Steel can dent or scratch, and it may be susceptible to rust if not properly coated. Best uses. Steel doors are a great choice for entryways requiring extra security and durability. Fiberglass doors. Pros. Fiberglass doors are resistant to warping, rotting, and rust. They can mimic the look of wood while offering superior durability. They're also energy efficient and require minimal maintenance. Cons. Fiberglass doors are more expensive upfront than wood or steel, but they often pay off in the long run with lower maintenance costs. Best uses. Fiberglass is ideal for Dallas's climate and is suitable for both residential and commercial properties. Aluminum doors. Pros. Lightweight and resistant to rust, aluminum doors are a low-maintenance option. They're often used for sliding doors or modern designs. Cons. Aluminum can dent easily and may not offer the same insulation as other materials. Best uses. Use aluminum doors for patio entrances or contemporary design-focused properties. Glass doors. Pros. Glass doors provide a sleek, modern appearance and allow natural light to flood your space. They're often paired with other materials like wood or aluminum for structural integrity. Cons. Glass doors may not offer the same level of security or insulation. They can also be prone to scratches and require regular cleaning. Best uses. Use glass doors for indoor areas, patios, or storefronts to create a welcoming aesthetic. Energy efficiency matters. In Dallas, energy efficiency is critical for keeping your home cool and your energy bills in check. Insulated doors, such as those made from steel or fiberglass with foam cores, can prevent heat transfer and help maintain indoor temperatures. Look for doors with ENERGY STAR ratings for optimal efficiency. Style and functionality. The right door material should complement your property's aesthetic. For a classic look, consider wood or fiberglass doors with a wood grain finish. For modern properties, aluminum or glass doors can create a sleek, contemporary vibe. Keep functionality in mind. Solid doors provide better security, while doors with glass inserts can enhance visibility and light. Budget and maintenance. When selecting a door material, balance upfront costs with long-term maintenance. While wood doors may be more affordable initially, their upkeep can become expensive over time. Fiberglass and steel doors may cost more initially but require less maintenance and offer greater durability. Seek professional advice. Finally, consult with a local door specialist to ensure you're making the best choice. A professional can evaluate your property's needs, recommend suitable materials, and ensure proper installation. Final thoughts. Choosing the right door material for your Dallas property involves considering climate, energy efficiency, style, and maintenance. Fiberglass and steel doors often offer the best combination of durability and practicality, while wood and glass doors can add unique character to your space. By carefully weighing your options, you'll find a door material that enhances your property's aesthetic, protects it from the elements, and stands the test of time.